Creating an app with ProfitDev is as easy as clicking on Create New App, putting in your app name, a link to your website or to your customer's website. We can choose a theme color, we'll just go with purple, and then a layout, so we'll go with tabs plus bar. Continue. And then just to get an idea of how the app looks, we can run our live preview right here. And we can see that instantly the app is now live on mobile phones. So we can see it on our right here. We can see the preview and we can interact with this phone to make sure the whole web page looks exactly how we want it to look. So all that's left for us is to start designing it. So we can go for tabs plus bar, we can go for drawer plus bar, and we can click save changes. And we'll update here. If we want to go for an Android look, we can also click here and then run preview. And we can see it now has a drawer right here that if we click on it, it shows up. It's blank because we didn't add anything to it. Here we can play with the colors live and see the changes live on our preview here. We can add different navigation menus. So for example, if we add here nav bar, then link to the same page, and then just select an icon like this. And now save. We can see it has appeared live on our preview here. Then of course we can do this several times. So we can go for different navigation bars. We can do our whole website on the left here, so users can easily navigate through our app. We can go for localization. We can do different things to make our app easier for our user base. So we can have different messages like these here that will show up when the user tries to do something. So if the user has no internet connection, they'll get a pop-up saying this. If the user wants to exit the app, we'll ask them if they're sure they want to exit the app. We can get leads by having them contact us through an email that will pop up directly on the app. And of course, we can do different images and error images in case the app has any problems or the website the app is based on has any problems. We can mess around with the graphics, so we can change the background, we can change the color however we want. We can display a logo and all of the images can be uploaded right here directly here. So if we want to change these live, so for example, we can change the color. We can change it to a red right here. Then save and save changes. All we have to do is just rerun the preview. So what happens, what ProfitDev does is it automatically creates the app as you go and installs it on this preview so that it's already ready to download once you're completely done with it and ready to upload on any app store. Lastly, we have the push settings which allow you to send messages directly to your users' phones from inside the app. Lastly, once you're completely done with all of the changes that you want and you're completely satisfied with this preview, the menu and everything about your own app, all you have to do is go to app download and start your build. We can go for Android and upload directly to Google Play. We can go for iOS and we can upload it directly into App Store Connect. So the app can be tested by App Store developers and then uploaded directly to the App Store. Let's create an Android file here. We're going to click on Start Build. Done. And we can see that the build has been done instantly as ProfitDev works with us in creating the app live. As we can just download it here. And done. So we have it here and it's also already live on Google Play. So I've already opened up the link to it, and if we have a look, we can already see it here. We can see the 3 downloads because of the testing that we've done with the app. And it's already here. The app has been uploaded on Google Play, and it's that easy. It took us only 5 minutes to get an app already on Google Play from ProfitDev's sales page. Get your hands on this live mobile app creator, and I can't wait to hear from you.